I'll show you how to use Google News to quickly make $1,500 per day in this video. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The first step in using this tactic is to launch Google. Once you've done that, type Google News into the search box, and because the top result is the official Google News page, click on it. Google News is a website that updates multiple times each hour, and you'll use it to gather news that you can subsequently sell to websites that publish articles. This video's idea is that you will hire software to totally rewrite the article for you, after which you will sell it to other companies. Why would companies invest so much money on waste? They are paying for an article, not anything else, first and foremost. Is it even legal to do this? The second inquiry. The answer is legitimate. Therefore, yes. Like any other employment, it is a job. Some writers create articles for the internet, and they are all paid per word. Thirdly, isn't that right? Because you're planning to completely rewrite the paper using AI software. The answer to that is no. Instead of using the exact same article, you will feed a different one into an artificial intelligence computer, which will then totally rewrite it while keeping the original's ideas in mind. Despite the similar premise, the material will be very different. If you don't live in the United States, you can still get paid via bank transfer. I'm going to show you a bunch of websites that all accept bank transfer as payment. In this video, 320 websites that let you sell articles are listed. There are 320 websites that regularly publish news. Every day is a new opportunity for you to send them articles. If they didn't the previous day, they will accept it the following day. PayPal and bank transfers are available as payment methods if you have a bank account. These websites will pay you if you are located anywhere in the world and have a PayPal account. I'm going to offer you a script that you may copy and paste. You are allowed to use this precisely as this, though it would be nice if you could make a few minor modifications. An Upwork link will be provided at the conclusion of this video. On this website, 3,573 writers' jobs are open, so you can easily apply and start making money. I've collected a list of 320 websites that pay $1 or more for each word you write. The name of the website, the subjects they are searching for articles on, their email contact information, email format, how to pitch them, and how to submit your articles are all visible when you visit the company's website. I'll go every step of the process for getting an article and submitting it to one of these websites with you. If you pay close attention to everything the video says, by the time it's through, you'll be ready to start making money. I'll be using the website JS Store. I'll click this link to access the contact form. I'll be taken to the form for submitting articles. I'll go back to Google News before submitting anything because I need the story first. The website accepts articles in the following categories: language and literature, history, economics, and political science. We'll get a new article as soon as we visit Google News again. I'm moving to the top portion of this page where it lists the different types of articles because economy is a topic under business in Google News. I'm going to pick business and proceed to the economy business sub-niche, where we'll look for an item I like and think is valuable. Remember that the higher the quality of your work, the more likely it is that they will pay you for it. Leave this page and go to QuillBot.com to select an article. This website does not require registration. However, if you choose to do so, upgrading to the premium QuillBot version will improve the likelihood that your post will be approved because the AI version is superior. Let's imagine you don't want to upgrade to the premium version since you enjoy the free version. Let's go back to our article, copy it, and then use the paraphrase tool at QuillBot.com. When you are done, click paraphrase here. If you click this button and select allow, it will paste the material for you. Once you finish, you can copy this and keep it in a safe place. If you need a place to keep your content, use Google Docs as a secure storage option. Google Docs is the official Google Docs website, and anyone with a Gmail account may use it for free. All you need to do is to go to Google and type in Docs. For a fresh page, click the first website and then blank. You may just paste your information here without ever having to worry about losing it thanks to Google Docs. Double check your content for errors after you pasted it here because this is an AI and could have them. Examine it to see if there are any unusual errors, and if there are, you might wish to change and correct it. If you believe you can make it better, you can also write part of the content yourself. You're free to be imaginative, but there shouldn't be any problems if you have read it and found it acceptable. Let's copy that and then go back to the article's webpage. I'll just post my script here before copying and pasting it into Google Docs to use when I pitch the company. Copy it from this point forward and backward. Copy this section, then return to the website. Update the script, please. This piece, which is from my article, will be copied. I'll now complete this script by adding the missing information, and I'll paste the articles here where it states, give them the article, where it says, hello, my name is X, or anything like, you should put your name. I would love to have an opportunity to showcase my work, and I have taken the lead to write an article for X. Enter JSTOR website as the website's name. I do freelance jobs for YouTubers who are too busy to run blogs, and I'm also very interested to start writing blog posts for bigger publishers such as X. In this case, it's going to be JSTOR. The articles comes after this. If you're interested in having me on your team, it would mean the world to me. The author writes at the end of the piece, I'm eager to learn and really committed. Feel free to contact me if you have any helpful critiques of my article. Thank you, best. And then, replace this X with your name. The next step is to choose the appropriate options under reasons for contacting us, which is general pitch from a writer, as that is exactly what you are doing. Simply input your email address here and you will then be prompted to answer this question. We kindly ask that you fill out this field's color in order to avoid spam. Just type white because a panda is black and white, and that is what is missing. Enter your email address here, verify that you are not a robot, and then click submit. That is only one website, and as you can see, they will say thank you for your feedback and say that it might take 6 to 8 weeks before your piece is listed. You can now start submitting your applications to the 320 websites on the list I just gave you, in addition to the 320 websites I just suggested. Let's go to the Upwork website, which is where writers get recruited. As you can see, find the greatest blog writing jobs. You can simply browse at these jobs online, choose one that fits you, and begin earning money. There are 3,489 blogs that you can support and immediately begin making money from. If you don't want to write the articles yourself, I'll show you a hack. If you visit the website fiverr.com, you can quickly hire someone to write your article. But if you just wanted someone to do the work for you without using QuillBot or going to Google News, then this is it. Because I am aware that this video can become a little confusing, let's go through each step one again. Open the text file and choose an article website as your first step. Determine the type of content and the desired niche. Find an article for them in step 2 by going to Google News. Rewriting the articles for QuillBot is the third step. The article must be proofread in order to find any mistakes. If it has, fix it. The fifth step is to visit the website and submit your content using the script I gave you. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.